How to install Geotracker on your Blender. The first things first is you'll have to download the Blender pack so that Geotracker will be available. Now, if you're using a software from your PC or laptop, it's going to be the same process as you're using it via your mobile phone. So on your phone or on your PC, just go directly to any preferred web browser that you can access and head directly to your search bar. Now in your search bar, we will be going to this site called KeenTools.io. Now this is a specific site that is allowing us to download a pack from Blender. So just simply choose on this first option right here that says KeenTools.io. And again, you can also search this specific site by using your mobile device browser. And then once you're on the site, all you have to do is to hover your mouse from download and go to the Blender pack. Now in here, what you want to do next is to click this link right here that says download and make sure that you will be installing it. Once you have successfully installed the Keen Tools Blender pack and you open the file will redirect you to your Blender software, which is gonna be the Geotrackers visible. So all I have to do next is just install Geotracker from your Blender app. That's how you install Geotracker on Blender.